Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Acquire Knowledge. So if you have not pressed the bell icon and the subscribe button, do press it to get the latest updates as I post any video. And don't forget to like the video. So let's start the topic. In this video, we shall talk about the bird's behavior. So let's start the video. So bird's behavior and overview. Birds do it too. Eat, eliminate, clean themselves, date and mate, reproduce, raise youngs and build a home, protect the home and also they move. Now let's talk about some birds' behaviors. Their instinctual, learned, physical, social, daily, seasonal behaviors. So let's start with the daily bird behaviors. Feeding, flying, penning and communicating are known as the daily bird behaviors. Food acquisition. They find the food, acquire them, transport and then prepare or store and then at last they retrieve. Now let's talk about the food consumptions. They eat for self, eating for the youngs and also for their migrations. Flying to from and from food and rest areas. Flying styles. Birds fly in different styles. There are some common styles named as gliding or soaring, coursing or steady flapping, intermittent flapping, bounded or undulating, covering or quartering. These are some pictures of the various flight styles. At first we may see the picture of gliding or soaring. The second we see the coursing. In the third image we are seeing that the intermittent styles. In the fourth we are seeing hovering and at last we are seeing the quartering style. Feather care. Birds feather and feather cares. To clean off the dirt and parasites by picking up dust and emptying or washing and drying. To religine and interlock. To oil to reduce dryness. Benefits of feathers. Insulations, repel moistures, regulates body temperature, provides aerodynamic efficiency used in courting displays. Now let's talk about the communicatings. Weird birds, danger pending, stay out of the territory, I like you, do you like me, etc. Now let's talk about seasonal bird behaviors like courting, nest building, breeding and parenting. Courting by display, by singing or dancing, by swinging up and down, swirling up in the air, by doing somersaults, by preening each other, by offering gifts, by having created the best home, by looking fit and swirling together before separating. Now let's talk about the courting displays. Nest buildings. So as the courting displays means, as we see in this picture, there is a peacock. They have beautiful feathers which are the courting displays, and there are many kinds of birds which have different courting displays, but the main point of courting display is that the physical appearance of the beauty. So this is known as the courting displays. Now let's talk about some nest buildings. Nest building materials, natural and man-made. So let's talk about the natural. Twigs, sticks, grass, mosses, leaves and mud, needles and fruit, spider webs, horse and cow hairs and seed heads. Now let's talk about some man-made materials used for nest building. Straws, string twine, paper tissue, rubber bands, barbed wire, Q-tips, tin foil and other shiny objects. Copulating. Monogamy. Its genetic sole biological parents of the young. Social, a male predates with the female in parenting even if not the parent of the young in the brood. Let's talk about some polygyny, polydrony and polygyny. Polygyny. Male multiple partners, little if any parenting. Polyandry. Female multiple partners lay eggs in separate nest. Males helps incubate, hatch and rear youngs. At last, polyandry, both female and males of a few species may have multiple partners who use the same nest for their eggs. Jealous behaviors may occur in the resulting loss of eggs. Breed options. Territorial, male wins female, plate builds and defends their nest. Colonial, several pairs share and protect breeding sites. They find the food. Cooperative and communal, more than two birds of the same species help breed, protect and rear young ones. May be offspring from the prior seasons, may exhibit shared maternally, shared parentally, or both. Through the Scrubs Day is an example. Parenting. Female or male only, both parents, multiple females, other siblings and mothers of another species. So at last, this is the end of this video. I hope that you all have learned something, and if you like this video, do like, subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will meet you in my next video.